I want to talk to you about the ultimate job search routine because oftentimes when people tell me what they're doing in their job searches, it begins and ends with job boards. Maybe there's a little bit of asking people for a new job and an email thrown in there. But no, that's not how it should work. And when I ask them how many hours that they're putting in, if I a lot of time hear that their goal is to try and teach this like a full-time job, like they should be putting as many hours if they can, like up to 40, especially if they're not working, because that's what they think it needs to be. And it doesn't. It really doesn't, but you do need a strategy. So let's talk about that in this quick video. Hi, my name is Sara, and I'm a certified career and leadership coach. I help people find their dream jobs where they work less, make more money, and finally feel happy and fulfilled doing work that they love. And I pop on here on YouTube quite often, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this, and hit the like button if you like this video, and the notification bell so you don't miss a single one. Okay, I want to talk about job search routines because they're generally all over the place. They're a little bit chaotic or one note. And I wanted to make sure that we talk about this in the job search coaching week. We have done every single year because it is the most overlooked thing that people talk about resumes all the time. They talk about LinkedIn all the time. They talk about interviews all the time and networking all the time. And yeah, we're going to be talking about that in the coaching week because they are important. But how you use your time is the most important. Everything else doesn't matter if you're not using your time effectively. So I want to talk to you about proven routines and action plans. We even brainstorm things that you can do in a multifaceted job search strategy. We talk about how much time you should realistically be spending for you in your situation, so that we can actually have rested, productive, somewhat exciting. Like it's never fun. Job searches aren't fun. Like I'm not going to try and make it fun, but I can make it less like the hellhole that it feels like it is right now. So that is the things that we're going to be talking about in the ultimate job search routine. And we're going to be talking about using your time intentionally so that we can maximize results with minimal amount of time. Like I'm saying, I've had clients successfully find amazing jobs on 15 minutes a week, uh, up to 20 hours a week, never more, never more. So if you want to know how to maximize your impact and your results in your job search on a minimal amount of time invested into it, then you have to join the job search coaching week because we're going to bring structure to your chaos, all for just $10. And this is just one training. There are 4 other ones. The link to join us is below. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and I'll answer them. Otherwise, I can't wait to see you there. Take care. Bye.
If you liked this video, then I invite you to join me in the Find Your Dream Job program, where you work less, make more money, and finally feel fulfilled doing work that you love. Find out more at www.saracurto.ca/CYLA. See you there.